In this video, I'm going to show you how to refund a PIX transfer through the Itau app. The process is very simple, so follow along with me. In the Itau app, you can refund any PIX that you have received. This is important. The refund option only works for incoming PIX payments. If you sent a PIX by mistake, the other person must initiate the refund. In that situation, contact them or reach out to Itaú support to see what can be done. Now, if you want to refund a PIX you received, just open your statement. At the bottom of the screen, tap Statement. There you'll find all your PIX transactions. You can use filters if you want. When you find the PIX you want to refund, tap on it. You'll see all the details of the transfer, the amount, who sent it, and at the bottom, the refund option. If the button doesn't appear, the transaction may no longer be eligible for a refund. Perhaps the time limit has expired. If that happens, contact Itaú customer support. If the button is available, tap it. You can then review all the information before confirming who will receive the money back, whether the refund will be full or partial, an optional reason, and the account the amount will be taken from. Using the official refund function keeps you safe from scams, and the transfer happens immediately. You'll also get a receipt that you can share with the sender. I hope this helped. If this video was useful, consider subscribing to the channel. 83% of the people who watch are not subscribed yet. Your subscription means a lot.